Hello friends, March 2025 is going to be a game changer because this month brings two major eclipses. First, a lunar eclipse on March 14th and a solar eclipse on March 29th. Along with this, the sun will shift from Aquarius to Pisces on March 14th and on March 29th at 11:30 p.m. and Saturn will transit from Aquarius to Pisces. These powerful planetary movements will have a direct impact on your career, love life, finance, health and education. Some signs will see major success transformation and while others need to be careful and plan wisely. In this video, I will share detailed prediction for all zodiac signs and give powerful remedies to help you attract success and avoid challenges. Stay till the end to make the most of March 2025. Let's begin with the first sign of the month, which is Aries. Sun-Saturn influence may cause misunderstanding in relationship. After March 14th, things will improve, but patience is the key till month end. By March 29, Saturn brings stability. Married couples may face minor disputes, but quality time will strengthen bonds. A short trip could refresh your relationship. Workload increases for professionals, bringing growth and opportunities. Job seekers may get a good offer in the last week. Business owners will see new deals but should avoid blind trust. With Venus in the 12th house, unexpected expenses may arise. So budget wisely. Students must work harder, especially for higher education. Thoughtful admission choices and a disciplined study plan will prevent last-minute stress. Health concerns like headache, BP issues, acidity and seasonal illness may arise. Stress and poor diet can worsen conditions. A balanced diet and exercise is a key. For positivity, offer jaggery and roasted chickpeas to Lord Hanuman on Tuesday. That's it for Aries, and now let's move on to the Taurus. Love and marriage strengthen as singles receive proposal and couples take relationship forward. Wedding confirmations are likely. Married couples enjoy romance, with some considering family planning. A surprise gift or gesture from your partner will deepen your bond. Career-wise, the Sun and Saturn in the 10th house may bring challenges. Be cautious with the bosses or seniors to avoid conflicts and maintain good relationships with colleagues to stay out of office politics. Business owners can expect new opportunities and profits. Financially, the month is stable, but expenses need to be controlled. Think twice before major investments or big purchases. Students face a hard-working phase, making it an excellent time to learn skills, especially in technology, mathematics, and science. Research, engineering, and medical students may find great opportunities. Staying focused and avoiding distractions will help achieving academic goals. Health requires attention as fatigue, headaches, digestive issues, and acidity may arise. A healthy diet is essential. Avoid fried, spicy, or heavy foods. For positive energy, worship Goddess Lakshmi on Friday and offer pink flowers. That's it for Taurus. Coming up next is Gemini. Venus and Rahu could bring emotional confusion in relationships, leading to distraction and doubts. Mars influence might cause tension in marriage, with possible disagreements or stress from in-laws. Resolving misunderstandings quickly will help maintain harmony. Career growth may face delays due to workplace politics and conflicts with colleagues. This isn't the best time for a job switch. Business owners should be cautious, like payment issues with old clients and risky investments could create financial strain. Managing expenses wisely is crucial. Student may struggle with focus, making studies challenging. Extra effort is needed for competitive exams, and higher education plans should be carefully considered. Health may need attention. Anxiety and sleep disturbance are possible, so practicing meditation and yoga will help maintain balance. For positivity, offer green grass to Lord Ganesh on Wednesday. Now, let's explore what's in store for Cancer. Love life may see ups and downs, with minor arguments creating tension. Long distance relationship could suffer from communication gaps, so staying connected is key. Married couples may struggle to balance personal and family life due to Mars in 12th house. Some may feel neglected. Increasing stress but this is a good time to resolve past misunderstandings. Business owners should be cautious with new deals and investments to avoid losses. Avoid impulsive decisions, and job seekers may need to wait a little longer for the right opportunities. Financially, some relief is expected as spending money may return. However, be careful with new investments, especially in property or stocks. Expert advice is recommended. Students need extra dedication as focus may decrease, affecting exam preparation. Seeking guidance from teachers or mentors will help, and some may find opportunities to learn new skills for future career growth. Health needs attention as weakened immunity may lead to cold, cough, or seasonal issues. Reducing screen time and practice a digital detox will help prevent headaches and stress. Offering water to Lord Shiva on every Monday and chant Om Namah Shivaya for 108 times will bring positive energy. That's a wrap for Cancer. Now let's move on to the Leo. Love life shines with Jupiter's blessing, boosting confidence and charm. Singles may meet someone special. However, married couples may face conflicts due to Sun and Saturn conjunction, leading to misunderstandings or ego clashes. Keeping ego in check and avoid unnecessary arguments will help. After March 14, as the Sun transit to Pisces, relationship will improve. Career prospects looks bright with promotion, salary hike and new job opportunities on the horizon. Business owners can expect profit, successful deals and major partnerships, possibly landing a big client or project. Financially, this is a prosperous month with good returns on investments and the possibility of a bonus or unexpected income. Students will experience enhanced force and creativity, making learning easier. This is a great time for acquiring new skills or joining courses, and proper study planning will ensure success. Health remains strong with high energy levels, keeping you active. Those dealing with chronic diseases may find relief in the middle of the month. Feeding jaggery to cow will strengthen luck and attract positivity. Now, let's proceed with the Virgo. Singles may meet someone special while relationships flourish with romance. However, married life may face challenges after March 14. The Sun transit to Pisces along with Mercury, Rahu and Venus in the 7th house could increase tensions. Resolving past issues calmly will help maintain harmony. Career prospects are excellent with promotion, salary hike and job changes bringing positive results. Recognition from bosses and seniors will enhance your reputation. Business owners, freelancers and entrepreneurs can expect profitable deals, new clients and expansion opportunities. Financially, this is a strong period with profitable investments in stocks, real estate or new ventures. Wealth and prosperity are indicated. Students will perform well and those planning to study abroad may find good opportunities. Health remains strong with high energy levels, keeping you active. Relief from chronic issues is possible, but overwork may cause you little stress and fatigue. So focus on relaxation and do yoga. Offer modak to Lord Ganesha on Wednesday for positivity. Now, let's talk about Libra. This month brings emotionally and financially challenges, but patience and smart planning will help navigate them. Relationships may see ups and downs due to communication gaps leading to misunderstandings. Avoid taking things personally. Married life could be stressful with arguments or distance. Increased family responsibilities may reduce time together, causing frustration, but patience and open communication will help maintain harmony. Work will be demanding, though immediate rewards may be delayed. Avoid work politics to stay out of trouble. Loan repayments could be challenging, making budgeting crucial. Business owners should remain patient as income stays steady. But major profits may take some time. Students may struggle with focus due to distractions. Making time management is very essential. Those in research, creative fields or technology courses may find better opportunities. Health needs attention with headaches, sleep issues and stress affecting well-being. Anxiety and mood swings may cause irritability, so relaxation techniques will help you overcome that. Worship goddess Lakshmi on Friday and offer white flowers for positivity. Now, let's start with the Scorpio. Love life may feel distant, but misunderstandings create emotional coldness. So, however, married life will be positive with your partner's support strengthening your bond. A visit to a spiritual place or satsang can bring peace and harmony. Career hurdles may surface as colleagues could try to block your progress or take credit for your work. Job loss or demotion is possible, so avoid conflicts and stay focused. Business owners should be extra cautious about financial losses, legal issues, or fraud. Unplanned expenses may arise, and recovering lent money could be difficult. Major investments should be avoided to prevent risky. Students may struggle with motivation and focus, making studies challenging. Sticking to routine and practicing self-motivation will help improving result. Health requires attention with an increased risk of accidents, minor illness, and stress-related issues. Practicing meditation and breathing exercise can maintain calmness. Offer a red cloth to Lord Hanuman on Tuesday and chant Om Han Hanumate Namaha for 108 times for strength and protection. Now, let's move on to the Sagittarius. Trust issues could weaken relationships, leading to emotional distance or breakup. Those in complicated relationships may face increased troubles. Married couple may experience arguments due to Mars influence, and issues with in-laws could add stress. Past conflicts may resurface, so patience and understanding are crucial for harmony. Career challenges may arise as colleagues try to block your growth or take credit for your work. Financial stability could be shaky, making it wise to avoid major investments. Recovering borrowed money may be difficult, so think carefully before making financial decisions and avoid unnecessary expenses or fraud. Students will need extra focus and discipline, especially during exams. Carelessness can impact results, so a strategic study approach is essential for success. Health may feel sluggish with fatigue and low energy. Seasonal change could trigger colds, allergies, or skin infections. Mental stress and overthinking may lead to sleep issues, so relaxation technique and proper rest are very important. Worship Lord Vishnu on Thursday and wear yellow clothes for positivity. That's it for Sagittarius. Coming up next for Capricorn. March brings initial challenges, but by month end, improving in love, career, and health will bring relief. Early misunderstandings in relationships may cause tension, especially over past issues. However, after March 29, as Saturn moves to Pisces, love life will improve with better understandings. Married couples may face family or in-laws related stress, but spousal support will strengthen bonds. Singles may find romantic opportunities after this transit. Career-wise, workload will be heavy, but efforts will be recognized by senior. Business owners will see expansional growth opportunities, especially after Saturn's transit. Financially, managing expenses is crucial. As unexpected cost may arise, avoid major investments until the month end. When financial gains are more likely, students may struggle with focus early in the month. But after March 29, concentration will improve. Competitive exams aspirants may receive positive results. Health needs attention with joint pain, digestive issue, or acidity causing discomfort. However, energy level will rise and well-being will improve after March 29. Donating black urad dal and iron items to the needy will bring positivity. Now, let's move on to the last second zodiac sign, Aquarius. Early misunderstandings may create tension in relationship, but after March 29, as Saturn enters Aquarius, things will improve. Married couples should handle in-law related stress with patience, as harmony will be restored. Singles may find romantic connections later in the month. Career growth may feel slow due to the high workload and lack of motivation, but persistence will help. Business owners will see better opportunities after March 29. Financially, unexpected expenses may arise, so balancing spending is crucial. Avoid major investments until stability improves by month end. Students may struggle with focus early on, but concentration will return after March 29, improving academics performance. Health may be affected by joint pain, insomnia, or digestive issues. Stress could increase, making relaxation essential. After March 29, energy level will rise and well-being will improve. Offer water to people tree on Saturday and chant Om Sam Shaneshwaraya Namaha for positivity. Now, let's move on to the Pisces, the final sign in this series. Relationship will strengthen with deeper bonds and respect. Singles have a strong chances of meeting someone special. If planning for marriage or engagement, this is an ideal time. Married couples will experience harmony with support from their spouse and in-laws. A happy event at home may add joy, and family planning efforts will be favorable. Career growth is highlighted with promotions, salary hike or job changes are likely. Your hard work will be recognized and appreciated. Business owners can expect profitable deals and partnerships. Financially, this is an excellent period. Pending money may return, and investments in property, stocks or gold could bring a great results. Wealth accumulation could look promising. Students will be highly productive with increased focus and creativity leading to their success in education. Those planning to study abroad may find good opportunities. Health remains excellent with high energy and positivity. Recovering from past illness will be smooth and mental stress will reduce. Worship a banana tree on Thursday and chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya for 108 items for blessings. Friends, that concludes this Zodiac series for March. I hope you found it useful. See you in the next video. Until then, stay positive, focus on your goals and trust the universe. Thank you.